All right, artists, so we are going to lay out our geometric shape project. As a reminder, it's going to end up looking like this. And the first thing you need to do is in your kit, you need to find the watercolor paper that is 9 inches wide and 12 inches long. And watercolor paper, this kind has a little bit bumpy. I don't know if you can see the texture. So make sure that you get the watercolor paper and not the just regular drawing paper. You see the bumps? So I'll give you a minute to do that. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to put a border on it and draw our columns. So we're going to have a 1/2 inch border around everything. So I'm going to line it so you can see my paper is 9 inches this way. So it's tall, it's vertical, and I'm going to make a 1/2 inch border at the top and a 1/2 inch border at the bottom. So I'm going to line my ruler up at the top right corner, and I'm just going to make a little tick mark, a little line at 1/2 inch, like that. Then I'm going to come over to the other side, and I'm going to do the same. Line up the ruler right at the top, and make a tick mark right at 1/2 inch. Okay, then I'm going to draw a line between these two tick marks, and that will give me a nice straight line. So I want you to do the same. Now I'm going to do the same at the bottom. I'm going to make a 1/2 inch mark. So lining up my ruler at the bottom left corner, finding that 1/2 inch, making a tick mark, going over to the other side, lining it up, 1/2 inch, and then drawing my line. You go ahead and do the same. All right, now we're going to do the same thing on the sides. So 1/2 inch, I'm going to measure 1/2 inch here. I'm just going to line it up with one of the inch marks and measure in 1/2 inch at the top. Go down to the bottom. Line it up with one of the inch marks. Go 1/2 inch there. And draw a line and do the same on the other side. So go ahead and do this, 1/2 inch around the edge. The next thing we need to do is make this into 2 columns with a 1/2 inch border on the inside. So what we're going to do is each one is going to be 3.75 inches wide. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come here to this point right here, and I'm going to measure over 3 3/4. So 3, 3.5, 3 3/4. I'm going to put a little tick mark. Then I'm going to go down to the bottom and measure 3 3/4. I'm going to put a line down the middle, or connect those two, I guess, but it is down the middle, like that. Then I'm going to have a 1/2 inch border here, right here. So I'm going to line up my ruler here and just go in 1/2 inch and make a line, and down at the bottom the same. 1/2 inch, make a line, little tick mark, and then connect them. This is how you make straight lines. Okay, and this is how we're going to set up our piece of paper. This is watercolor paper for our first part of this assignment. So please go ahead and do this.